Hello student, in this video we are going to learn about the additive manufacturing. So what is meant by additive manufacturing? The additive manufacturing is also called as a 3D printing. It is a process of joining a material to make object from CAD, or it is also called as computer aided design model data, by putting a layer upon layer, one upon one each other. So it is also called as a 3D printing. So in 3D printing, a CAD model is used, and with the help of this CAD model, a layer upon layer of material is placed one upon one layer upon second layer upon third layer, like that, and a final object is prepared according to the CAD model. So it is called as a 3D printing. So generally in 3D printing, which type of material can be used? There may be use of metal, polymer or composite. Now there are different steps in the 3D printing or additive manufacturing. First step is a CAD drawing. So whatever shape we want as a final object, that drawing is made on the CAD. 3D model is created on the CAD software, or by using CAD it is made up. Then that model is converted into a STL file or STL conversion. So STL, it is a language which is read by the 3D printer. So CAD model is converted into a STL file. Then 3D printer will learn, or it will execute the CAD model. It will realize that this model we have to print. So printing is done, or manufacturing is done by the 3D printer by putting layer upon layer of a metal, or maybe a polymer, or it may be a composite. Then removal of print. So that printed object or printed product is removed from a 3D printer, and then it is sent for the post processing. Some unwanted parts are there that are to be removed, or some unnecessary parts are to be removed in the post processing operation, and your final object will be ready. So what are the different benefits of a 3D printing? So in 3D printing, variety of shapes we can produce, and the shapes which are produced by 3D printing are entire one piece. In conventional way, what we have to do, if a object is there, it is made up of number of parts. So number of parts are manufactured separately, and then they are assembled to each other, and then final component or final product will be ready. But here one single part is manufactured at a single time. So such as car body parts are there, they are made by metal in single piece by 3D printing. So you can see here, this is a 3D printer. A metal is melted, and that melted layer is placed one upon other. So this is first layer which is placed. Now second layer will be placed upper side. Second layer is placed now. So like that, as per the drawing, that layer is putted one upon one each other, and the final object will be manufactured. So here in this 3D printer, due to the heat, metal is melted. Here metal is melted in this head, and due to the melted metal, that layer will be formed, and that layer is putted one upon another. This is the execution head. Here it is shown. This is a nozzle. This is a heating element. Due to the heat, metal is melted, and from the nozzle it is placed on the work table like this. Now these are some applications are shown. For handicapped persons, this is the leg is manufactured by 3D printer. Hand covers manufactured by a 3D printer. This is a Mercedes-Benz truck 3D printed engine shown here. Now here we'll see one small video. You can see here 3D printing of a pot shown is here. This is a 3D printer head, and from this wire a material is passed, and from nozzle it is placed on the work table. Now you can see here a layer upon layer are placed one upon other in this way as per the CAD drawing. You can see as per the CAD drawing, layers are placed one upon another and the final shape is formed. So there will not be any wastage of your material. So this pot is ready. You will see another video. You can see these toys are there. In toys different parts are there that can be manufactured at a single time by 3D printer as per the drawing. So in this way 3D printing is carried out. So in this way we have completed our unit number 2. So you can go through the notes. Thank you.